So, former Miss South Africa contestant Chidimma is fighting for her deportation at the Cape Town Regional Court as I speak. So, after 2 p.m. today, she'll be presenting an affidavit on steps she has taken to regularize her status in the country. Adetshina was arrested on June 6 for being in the country illegally. I'm sure she regrets being part of Miss South Africa because that's when a lot of things unveiled. She was targeted from that time. And my question now is, didn't she go to contest in Nigeria as a Nigerian? And from that time, he actually said, I'm not going to go back to South Africa. So I'm actually surprised. When did she come back? Because girl said she's not going to come back. So it's so confusing. And also, did your mother got arrested for stealing someone's ID? Because Home Affairs actually, they actually said her mother stole someone else's identity. So I think there is an issue there as well that wasn't resolved, because we never gotten to get the results of how did they deal with that matter. So at this moment, she is actually fighting she's actually fighting to remain in the country. I don't know how she was allowed to come back. I'm just questioning myself. How did she actually come back after everything that happened during the time? And what is she actually doing? Is she studying? Is she working? What exactly is she doing? And if she was caught on the 6th of July without papers, why wasn't Home Affairs supposed to just deport her? This thing of her going to present with affidavits and I don't know, but I don't know why she wasn't with her papers. Probably she managed to get some papers after that scandal that happened. Was it last year or last of last year? Can't remember. Probably she managed to get something. But as someone who contested on Miss Universe Nigeria and won, and then now she's fighting again to be in South Africa, isn't it something that is raising a lot of questions? I don't know. How can she have to? Probably she has papers for it. Let's just wait and let's not judge a person. We want to hear her side of the story after today, after she present her affidavit. I don't know what she wrote in that affidavit, but anyway, let's just wait and see how she's going to deal with this whole thing altogether. Otherwise, if she can't present enough evidence, we know the next step that is going to be waiting for her is to be deported and banned. I don't know how many years, probably 5 years. She'll be banned for 5 years or so. I don't know. Hope she'll be able to sort whatever is happening and be able to present whatever the papers that the Home Affairs needs from her. I'm sure she is under your mother's papers or something, because if his dad is Nigerian and then the mother was from Mozambique and then the mother had papers. So I don't know how they are going to deal with such an issue, because it was just a complicated situation that she was having an ID, but that ID that she had was through your mother, and your mother had gotten years illegally. So I just hope she's not going to end up in jail because of all this, because it might be a serious case or a serious offense, something like that. I don't know. And hopefully a mother also is not going to get in trouble. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. What are your thoughts on this one? If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you are subscribed, and see you in my next video.